Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI 11T. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, enter settings and go to passwords and security. Tap on screen lock and confirm with your current password. Here we've got three types of screen locks: pattern, pin and password. Firstly, let's select pattern. Now pin. And password. Now let's select pattern again, so we can go to fingerprint. Our fingerprint scanner is on the right side of the phone. Touch the scanner multiple times to scan your fingerprint. And now let's add last way to unlock the phone, which is face unlock. Let me scan my face right now. And once it's done, I can use it to unlock the phone, as you can see. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.